Hello, magandang
Hi!
hapon po at welcome po to...
Coison Ponds Farm Las
Ay,
Piñas.
ah, bagong gupit.
Konti na.
Ha?
Ikaw
Bagay,
din
bagay.
eh. Ikaw
Bagay,
din eh.
bagay, bagay. Patay na yung gupit. Naka, ano na tayo,
Ah,
naka-depressurize. Tapos na
yeah.
yung show. Pressure but masaya.
Yeah, so,
Yung 23rd Coys and Pans Cup,
yes.
the attorney Elgin Perez Memorial Open Junior Koi Show.
Yes.
And we have so many people to thank with. No? Umpisahan natin, Glass. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-participate, nakilahok at nagsusuporta dito sa ating ginagawang mga core show.
Yes, because it takes a community, a whole barangay to be able to put up a koi show. Yes.
And imagine, Glass, yung ginawa natin is 2 shows in a day.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And awarding the same day.
So, yeah, so stay with us, friends, at mamaya sasabihin po namin yung next growth contest kasi marami pong mga nagtatanong anong next at motivated sila, excited at maganda po yung nangyari dito sa nakikita nyo po sa mga reel na ginawa natin,
Yes.
yung mga plastic bags, kahit malayo yung camera, malinaw pa rin yung isda.
Yeah, so clear, very clear. It's
And-
all from Japan.
And even si Steve Gibbons, no, ah, although nakikita niya yung koi judging sa Japan na nakabag, no, sabi niya, he asked me kung ano yung bags natin na yun. I said to him that these are official All Japan bags that we availed from Tani Farm.
Yes.
Kaya napakadali,
Yes.
ang bilis ng pag-judge nila at
Like you could
nakikita
see,
yung isda.
yes.
Mhm.
And there's more water in it than air.
Mhm.
So the judges could see it very clearly.
Yun ang lagi nating in-advise, class na pag magko-koi show po kayo at lalagay nyo sa bag, kung maaari po ang gamitin nyo yung official All Japan bag dahil mas palinaw po yun, matibay, hindi madaling mabutas, at there's more water than air.
Yeah, for safety reasons and for kite.
So in the All Japan show, ang norm po dito, ang koi ay nasa loob ng bags mga 15 hours to 20 hours. Yung pag binalot nila ah, the day before,
Yeah.
nakabag po yun. But no, sorry. 24 hours no yung nando sa loob ng bag.
Yes. But
Pero
it's
malamig yung
cooler.
tubig nila.
Yeah, it's very cool. So they could stay longer.
Mhm. So in our case here, binag ni Tom, Nikki, Devin,
During the
in the
lunch
morning.
break. No, they bagged it while the judges were
partaking lunch.
yeah, lunchtime. Just so they'll stay in the bag for lesser time because they're worried about the temperature. It's mostly the temperature. It's warmer kasi here. So even though it's covered, I mean, safety first talaga.
And talking about our team, maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Mickey and Devin.
Oh yeah.
And
thank
Tom
you
for
so
taking the time
much.
out
The Benching
to
team.
help us once again.
Yes, and for so grateful for Mickey because she did all the certificates and we're able to give it on the same day, just before the awarding. So thank you so much, Mickey, because it's very hard to do that. Usually, in many shows that we attend to, they have it the next day, but bihira yung the same day. So that's why they like her so much doing the
Oo nga,
koi shows in the
pagtapos
States.
during the awarding,
Yeah.
ito yung class, pakita
Yeah.
natin sample. During the awarding kay Leander to, inaabot na po agad namin yung certificate with a picture of your corresponding fish there, tapos signed respectively by all the judges.
Yes, on the same day.
On the same day,
And the
nandito na lahat.
awarding, so you get your trophy and your certificate at the same time.
Ito na yun, no? Kaya
So thanks, Mickey.
ganun tayo mag-koi show dito, nandito na talaga itong mga ano na to. Mga pictures, yan, nakaganyan. Ito yung kay Dennis Shokoy,
Yes.
Giseki. No?
Actually, as soon as they win, pino-format na ni Mickey.
Sa
So,
States pa lang, pino-format niya na yan.
yeah.
And sa awarding nga, abot ng abot with the trophy. At marami pa dito, pakita mo, Julen. ito yung mga trophies hindi pa nakukuha.
Yeah. This one's going to Cebu, the silver champion.
Dadali na lang natin ito
It's
sa
so
Cebu.
heavy, and we're going to hand carry it because next weekend on Sunday, the 15th,
Will
will be
be-
the girl out competition judging yun kay Denny Shoki Pipito
Saka ni
and
Brian
Brian
Michael
Michael
Enad.
Enad. So we'll present this to you when we get there to Cebu. Okay? But it has to be hand carried.
Oo,
It's heavy.
we're hesitant to send this over
Yeah, not
by
by,
kasi baka dumami yan. The beautiful crystal collection,
yeah,
friends.
it's a crystal collection.
Yun, so sino pa papasalamatan natin?
The
Plus, of course, the
of
judges.
course, yes.
Si Omosako-san, Domo Arigato, Kenji Tani, my good friend from more than 30 years ago.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Kenji, and for all the trophies and for all the
Yeah.
support,
Because
everything
ever
that you
since
do.
the first koi show, he was the one who was donating all the trophies.
Two judges were here, Kenji and Suguru Takahashi, Gonchang. No?
Yes.
Gonchang, thank you so much.
Thank you.
From the
also.
first koi show, he was here
Yeah,
2001,
yeah.
April 21.
Yeah,
and
he was
once again
already
he's here.
judging. And said he only judges here in with us.
Philippines. Hindi, totoo naman dahil he's so busy, much
Yeah.
like si Devin, si Tom, si
they're so-
Mickey.
Yes.
And they're so busy and we really appreciate na
Yes,
dumating kayo
that,
dito,
yeah,
that
they
you're
took
here.
Time out from your very busy schedules to attend.
Also
and
Steve
help us
Gibbons.
here.
No?
Steve Gibbons.
Steve
from
Gibbons
England.
and Brian.
Brian
Nguyen.
Yeah. Thank you so much. We
Thank you
really
so much for
appreciate you took
squeezing
time
us
out.
in.
Yeah.
He promised to judge this. His schedule was so hectic. He
Super.
spent Christmas and New Year in the
Yes,
States.
yes.
He came back and then he's doing a lot of koi movements. And,
Yeah, he has new koi that arrived in Vietnam.
So all of your friends in Vietnam who's interested in high quality koi, look up Brian
Brian
Nguyen.
Nguyen,
I think he changed his name. The name of the shop of Brian Nguyen now is DN.
BN, yeah. Brian Nguyen.
Brian Nguyen Koi Shop.
Yeah.
Or probably
Very
Best
beautiful
Nishikigoy.
shop. Yeah, that's what he
Joking,
said.
Brian.
Best Nishikigoy in Vietnam.
I hope to see you again here, Brian.
Yeah, and
You're welcome to come
Steven
here and your wife
everybody.
anytime
Yeah,
you want.
Anytime.
Mhm. And let's not forget Erwin Santos, of course.
Yeah, Erwin, all the way from the USA,
Mm-hmm.
and then you've been known each other for a long time, and you were judging in the US, but the one you were together was the one in Seattle. Yeah.
With Grand Fujita.
Yeah. So that was a long time ago too.
And plus, it was a very noble act. Pinost ko na yon. Yung ginawa ni Erwin, he was here. Kala ko iikot lang. We bowled some koi, nagkukwentuhan lang kami about the fish. And then later on, two of those were entries. Sabi niya, Mike, I think I like this. Si Erwin, marunong po magtagalog. Pero medyo, siyempre, doon na lumaki sa States.
Yeah, he was 10 when he left the
He left,
Philippines.
ano,
And it's the
taga-
first time he came back after 40 years. So,
And
thank
kinukwento
you.
niya, binisita daw niya. Galing sa Lasal Green Hills to eh.
Yeah.
True
Binisita
green,
yun,
no?
Yeah.
Yeah, green.
Yeah.
Anyway, nakita niyo yung dalawang fish. Sabi niya, Mike, I'll purchase these two fish.
Yeah.
And sabi ko, ano gagawin mo dyan? Ganito, ireregalo ko na lang. Nasa video po, ireregalo ko na lang kay Tonet at kay Mean. Sana makatulong sa kanila.
Yeah.
What a class act to do.
Yes.
A very genuine generosity. This will help Tonet and Mean. And thank you so much, Erwin, on behalf of Glassy and myself.
Yes.
Salamat sa ayuda sa ating
Yeah.
mga staff. No?
Yeah.
Also, meron siyang Shiro Utsuri. And like what I posted there, good things happen to good people. The Shiro Utsuri that he chose pick, no, became Grand Champion B.
Oh,
Dito. At
yeah.
dito
so
naman
you know his eyes are really good.
magaling yung mata ni Erwin. Judge din yan eh.
Oo nga, syempre.
And season talaga, no? Season
Yeah.
judge. Marami
Yeah, he
namang
wasn't in a hurry to get his, but
And-
he's a full DNA judge. He wants to
Certified.
learn. Certified.
Sen Ipon Irene kay.
Yeah,
And kausap ko kanina over the phone.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, iwan mo muna dyan yung isda ko. Yung Shiro Utsuri. Sabi niya ganun. And we will see you, Erwin, pagpunta namin sa States.
Yeah.
Alright. Next will be the crew ng Kois and Pans, Mean, Julia Nery at the back of the camera, si
Tonet,
Luigi, si
Luigi,
Tonet, si
yeah.
Myla. Sila yung gumawa ng lahat ng ribbon na to. Ewan ko
Yeah.
kung kung sinong designer nung gumawa ng mga ribbon.
Wala, naubos
Kasi
lahat, no, Julie?
Nabigay
Nabigay
niyo
lahat?
lahat ng ribbons, no? Okay.
Oh, yes.
Nandito
There's
pa yung iba.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you sa
So
thank
when
you sa
we
inyo lahat.
bring some to Cebu, we'll bring the ribbons as
We'll
well.
bring that with us.
Yeah.
Of course, si Sel.
Yes,
Si
Cecile,
Sel,
thank you.
busy feeding the crew, the staff, and ganyan. Siya lang mag-isa sa kusina. And si Myla din.
And
No?
Myra was
Okay.
helping out.
Thank you so much, Sel.
Thank
No?
you, Sel.
Maraming salamat. Tapos yung benching team natin, si Agmiel, si
Yes.
Ken Kimpo, si Art
Yes.
Aton, no?
Wow,
Oo, si
the-
Det, tsaka si Julius.
Yes, sa
Ang galing nung
computers.
habang inaano natin doon, Julius is there, efficiently handling the computer.
Yeah.
Pinopost niya, and may gagawin po kami bago sa next grow out na ganung online din. That television, ano na po to, latest na po yun yung ginamit namin because very high definition and wala pong glare. At we will be
They can see
leaving for the
clearly.
States soon. We will get a bigger one. We will get a bigger one. Talaga
So,
motivated po kami dito sa online judging if it's gonna be. Mamaya sasabihin po namin sa inyo yung next grow out contest online.
Yes.
Pero ganun din po yung format. Nandun po yung judges sa harap. Tapos nandun po yung mga pictures. But we will make it more tight yung production.
Yeah.
Okay, so nakikita nyo po, isa-isa talaga. And then, the pictures, eto, pakita natin to.
We try to improve every year. So,
Kaizen, as they say, you know?
yes.
Eto,
Continuous
this is
improvement.
the other fish of Henry Morales. Eto, yan, naiwan pa dito, hindi pa nakuha tong picture na to. So, as you could see, friends, meron pong 6 na signatures dito. Para po walang confusion, nakita niyo po sa video, as soon as they hail kung
Yeah.
sino yung champion, Jiseki, 10 po to, ay pinipirma na po agad nila. J means
For
Jiseki,
Jiseki.
si Omosako po naglagay nito, at yung 5 signatures ng judges na nandito, kaya hindi mapapalitan.
But there's 6 because the 6 belongs to Father Jonathan.
Pang-anim yung, yan na, pinirma na ng simbahan. At nasabi mo na,
Talaga
Gles,
sigurado, no?
maraming salamat, Father Jonathan, our
Thank you,
parish
Father
priest.
Jonathan.
Kilala niya kilala ni paring Mark, si
Yeah,
Jonathan. Tawag
yeah.
nga niya si Father Jonathan, Father Jokan.
Oh.
And Father Jonathan, we're building his pond soon in the church.
Yeah.
Doon sa reflecting area ata
Yeah.
nila doon. I'm designing a pond for the church and another one for Sacred Heart, kay
Yeah.
Monsignor.
Yes,
Okay.
Monsignor
And
Allen.
maraming salamat, Father Jokad, for doing the invocation,
Yes,
no? and
in the
blessing all
morning.
of us.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ng 1 week, talagang before the show, me and Glessy, continuously we're going to the church, kahit na on regular day, kahit hindi Saturday, Sunday, just to ask for blessing na sana po patnubayan yung itong core show na to. And true enough, hindi tayo pinabayaan ng Diyos.
Yes.
Bless.
We
Hindi
think
inulan,
up
no?
there.
Hindi inulan,
Yeah.
hindi walang namatay na isda,
Yes,
walang
wala
hiccup,
aksidente.
no? Wala aksidente. Schedule went through, no?
Yeah.
God is good talaga
Yes,
all the time.
very
And
good. Thank you
pagdating
so
pa
much.
dito ni Erwin
Yeah.
Santos, no, nag-sharing kami.
Yeah.
Erwin is a true believer. Walang
Yeah.
saradong Katoliko din. And marami siyang mga shinare na magagandang bagay. At sinimulan niya yon. And then nakakataba ng puso, Glass, dahil eto si Henry Morales something good, something positive na pinopost
Yes. And
nila.
it's wonderful that they post it.
They're vocal
posted,
about it,
Yeah,
no?
they're vocal. They shared their journey with everybody because that's really what the Koi Show is all about. We learn. It's not only winning or whatever. It's what you learn personally, and then your Koi journey is also life journey
To become a better person.
to become a. That's
And
what you all
also
hope for.
Steven, no? Si Stevenson.
Steven, yeah.
Stevenson,
Stevenson, yeah.
chef, no?
Yeah.
Marami siyang mga challenges. Tapos mahaba yung sinulat
But
niya.
they never quit.
Never quit, no?
Yeah, so it's fantastic. So now, he got 10 awards, so it's fantastic.
Of course, meron din siyang challenges. Nagbe-vent out siya. He
Yes.
would call me up and vent out. And then, lahat naman ganun eh. You need a friend to lean on,
Yes.
vent out, and then bounce back right away.
True.
I think in any hobby that we're doing, the hobby that you're doing is supposed to enhance you as a better person.
True.
Okay.
Just learn from it.
Learn from it. And then Koi, as the characters say, it means love.
Yeah.
So
It's
let
really
it
love.
let it make you a better person and take it back from the fish.
Yes.
The positivity there.
Yes.
Ayun, so again, thank you so much, Father Jokan. Okay. So Sino pa ba to? Hindi ko naman mabasa.
We thank the family of Elgin for coming and the family of Danielle Valoria. Thank you so
So
much.
heartwarming, dalawa yung ino-honor natin. Nandito
Yes,
yung ano.
yes, their
sila.
families here. You know, it's to remember. They're really been good friends of Koi's and Potts, and they really contributed also to the Koi hobby. So we really miss them. Actually, Mike said he'd be the one to talk about Elgin because he's be getting to be
Mabigat
teary-eyed.
yung ano.
He's getting teary-eyed.
Talagang mamimiss natin yung mga mabubuting tao. di ba?
Yeah.
Pagka ano. Okay, so was this
The sound, Morris, Kubright,
si Direk Dexter.
Direct
Tsaka si Abby.
Dexter. Thank you so
maraming
much.
salamat,
Always
Dex.
a great
From
help.
the beginning, sinundo yung Japanese. No?
Yeah.
Si Dexter, hindi, director, pero ano, parang
Whatever
SM
he
and
could
everything.
help.
You know?
Yeah, he could, wherever he could help, he's there. And
Si
also
Dex,
Abby.
matagal na nating kaibigan sa teatro, tried
Yeah.
and tested. No?
Yeah, they were here with Frederick De Leon.
Frederick was
an
here.
Old Fred also. Thank you so much, Frederick,
Thank you for coming.
For coming, supporting the event.
Of course, si Kenneth.
Kenneth, all the way
no?
from the US.
Sa US, so naging part din ng benching team kasama si Ken Kim
Yeah,
po,
because
si
he
Art,
was with
si
Koi's and
Armiel.
Potts
No?
before. Yeah, with Art and Armiel. Thank you so much.
And thank you, Kenneth, for sponsoring yung golf,
yes.
part of the golf game.
Yes,
No?
thank
Nag-share po
you.
kami ni Kenneth to yung sa golf game ng,
Yeah.
na ginawa dun sa Boracay.
Yes.
Na-
And also to John Ames,
John
all
Ames,
the way
oh.
from Dallas, Texas.
John Ames, thank you so much for John Ames is already family.
Yes.
No,
So
okay,
he was here, was helping out. Thank you so much.
Good safe flight.
Yeah, because
Dave texted.
he's the Koi
President ng Koi Club
Koi
of
Club
Dallas Koi Kishi
and the
Koi.
Koi show chairman,
show chairman.
for Dallas and San Antonio.
And he also brought in the
And
Friendship Award.
yeah.
Mm.
So yeah, medyo mabigat.
Mabigat to, oo. Okay, so sino ba to? Ito yung banda.
Yeah, they
Si
did
James,
so
sinanap
well.
natin,
They
oh.
love it.
Ang galing ng ang
Yeah.
galing ng drummer.
Yeah.
Pati yung anak ni James, bali apo na natin yun, si
Yeah,
James
he was
Jr.
also playing the drums.
The outplayed, the tawag. Dati po silang some of the members are from Siakol.
Shackle.
Okay, let me just mention their names. Sa vocalist sila, si Edsel, si Clinton yung guitarist, tapos si Cyron yung bahista.
Bassist, yeah.
Ang galing na accommodate nila yung
Yeah.
yung nung bandang huli nga si Ken.
Nagpa-extend pa nga
Nagpa-extend at walang reklamo. Walang reklamo. Walang
Yeah.
reklamo. Thank you. At syempre, inawitan tayo ni Congressman Mark Anthony Santos.
Oh, yeah.
Kumpadre,
Compadre, we were so
Pare,
honored.
paring
And
Mark,
Joanne, thank you so
Joanne,
much for
sumayaw
coming.
pa si Joanne.
Yeah.
Oh, paring Congressman Mark
Yeah, I haven't
Santos.
seen her for quite a while. So happy you were here. And Congressman Mark. But Mark has always been supportive of all our Koi shows. Thank you.
Salamat. At
Yeah.
yung inanak mo daw, sabi nung inanak mo, paring Mark, ang paborito daw ni Gaita, Koi. Koi, tsaka Koi accessories. Kung hindi naman Koi, ang paborito ni Gaita na regalo ay tools.
O ikaw,
Tools ng kotse.
ikaw ba yan o siya? Anyway.
Binibiro ko si Mark, nakaupo kami na matagal doon eh.
Yeah.
He's, napakabait,
Yeah,
walang
we've known each other during
walang
PAL.
kabago-bago, parang nung araw pa rin.
Yeah,
Although congressman na siya ngayon.
Yeah, we're colleagues since
Mabuhay ka
the
pare
Philippines.
at we're always praying for ikabubuti ng Pilipinas, ikabubuti ng
Las
pagtatrabaho mo.
Piñas, yeah.
At
Yeah, he's such a positive energy for the government of Las Piñas.
yun. Let's quickly i-run down natin to. Dito po sa Giseki, 10 po itong Giseki awardee. Tapos iisa po yung level, 11 to 20.
Yes.
So, ayun. Les, pakisabi mo na. Giseki
yes.
is-
Some of the pictures are not here anymore because they took it home. But this one for the Giseki Award, one is like these are all equal.
equal yan. Isang same level.
Same level. So coin number 24, Jojo Walde. Pick number 25. So
Okay.
this is the one. Giseki Award 2, Henry Morales. Coin number 44. Pick number 101. Renan, Giseki Awardee. Pick number 52. Dennis Shoki Pipito. See you on
See you on,
Saturday.
sa next week sa
in Cebu.
Valentine. No, Cebu.
Thank you. Shoki Pipito, pick number 51. The reason why we're showing
Going
the
there.
pic the pick numbers because like you'll see, you know, it not
Alam nila
not
kung pang ilan yung
necessary-
pili, no?
Yeah, it's not necessarily you're 1 or 2 that you won't win anymore. Like this one, the one who won, also the grand champion, he was pick number 7.
Si Henry,
So
no?
yeah, so but look at this Henry, from number 7, number 101,
101 siya. Oh.
but it still went
Kasi
to
nga, pakita mo,
Giseki.
tama yun. May point si Glassy doon. Henry picked 2 koi. Ang pinili, ito, yung kay Henry, pinili niya pang 101 pick siya.
Yeah.
And then, etong isa, pang 7 pick siya.
Number
Ito yung
7.
nag-grand champion, yung koi 45.
Yeah.
But, he didn't throw the towel doon sa second koi niya. Tediously, namili pa rin siya. Pinili niya yung koi 44. Wala na yung picture eh. Nakuha na niya. So, pang 101 slot siya, koi 44, pumasok pa sa Giseki.
Yes.
Okay?
So, where am I now?
Ito, i-diretso mo na, Glass.
Dennis, pick number 51. Art Aton, pick number 6. Okay? And then Martin Leesa,
Leas,
pick number 21. Sir Billy, pick number 56. Vice Adam Fuentes.
Vice Adam Fuentes,
pick
congratulations.
32, congratulations.
Vice.
Vice.
Ito si Renan
RD,
Olito.
pick number 19. And then Paul Tiglao, pick number 14.
Engineer Paul Tiglao.
Engineer Paul. Congratulations.
Congratulations sa inyong 10. Isa level nito.
Yeah.
Magaganda po. So, hindi natin alam. Baka kung ginudge siguro to next month, uulitin yung judging, baka yung iba dito, umakyat na dito.
Yeah, we don't know. Because like, sometimes like Koi's already a month before and then the month after. So it's really a luck also that they're in their best condition on the day
On the
itself.
day itself.
Yeah. That's part of the
Sige,
luck.
start with the bottom, Glass.
Okay, we're talking
10th
all
place.
about the 23rd
About the
Koi's and Ponds
go
Cup.
out.
10th place, Kenneth Xiao, pick number 134.
Ito, dulo na to. Almost
Dulo
dulo
na
na to.
siya.
Kapipili lang nito.
Yeah.
Glass, kapipili lang nito siguro mga 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks
Yeah.
before the show. Ito,
Yeah, so they still nakapasok pa rin.
nakapasok pa. Dito,
So-
naka-asukari dito yan.
Yeah.
At hindi na naman tayo nag-charge ng asukari. At yung mga naiwan na isda,
Yeah.
Naiwan
so
po,
we were still able
pumasok
to
pa.
get,
Oh, at hindi
yeah.
po siya size dahil 26 cm lang. Oh. 26 cm lang na
Yeah.
binoto pa ng ng 5 judges na
Yeah.
10th place.
Yeah.
At nakikita man naman po ninyo doon sa pagpili nila by video, by online, talagang hinimay-himay. Like for example, these 2 koi, natagalan sila dito sa number 7 and 8. Eh ang diferensya nito is 1,000 pesos lang.
Yeah.
Nag-isip pa sila kung sinong ilalagay nila dito. Okay? Sige, Glass, let's
But
go.
syempre, they were really looking at each and every koi.
Talagang
How-
hinimay,
Talagang hinimay yung rank.
isa-isa. And it helped na meron tayong high definition television.
Yes, and they
At
have
yung
pictures,
presentation natin
yeah.
sa harap is
Yeah, it's easier for
reglamente.
them, yeah.
Doon
Everybody could see. So, because the Koi's and Pond staff, Casino available to do live, they were taking the video.
Oh, I think they enjoyed it, no?
I think so.
I
mean,
think they enjoyed
people
it. No,
appreciate
I
it.
asked Steve Gibbons, no?
Yeah.
Smooth daw, he liked it.
Yeah.
Much more nung nasa bag na, he liked it
Yeah,
better.
of course.
too. Although nakikita
Better.
niya sa All Japan show, kagagaling lang nila doon.
Yeah, they just came from last week before.
But I'm happy that Kenji likes it, the online judging. Omosako likes it. Si Gonjiro likes the manner that we presented it or did it. Even si Brian Nguyen. No?
Yeah.
And para pirmahan na rin nung ating parang commission on election yung honesty. We want to be transparent in this grow out kasi
Yes.
sabi ko nga in the beginning may involved dito na cash.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then yung cash naman na binibigay natin agad. In fact, distributed na po lahat.
Yeah, everybody got what,
As of now,
what they're
talagang lahat
entitled to. Yeah.
nakuha na po nila yung cash prize money.
Yeah.
We want to be transparent. We want to be as much as we could na maitawid to ng tama.
Yeah.
Kaya, sige,
So I'm happy because I don't have to write so many checks and ask them, oh, what names should put, baka may mistake ako. So Mike just transferred
ang galing,
online.
technology.
Galing.
Yung bago ngayon,
It's so great.
nagsimula nung pandemic, puro online transfer na.
Yes,
Pero,
okay.
pero,
And
nung
we're
last,
able to do it when you were still in Boracay because you weren't able to do it that night or the next day because of the flight. But he had a little breather, so he was transferring.
In between deep
Go-
sa dagat, in between paglalakad tayo mga
He would
Japanese,
call and then he would transfer us because he wanted to do it right away.
right
talaga.
away. Paisa-isa, sige, okay,
Yeah.
ganyan.
Yeah.
While enjoying the sun and the sea with the Japanese, no?
Yeah, and
Ito
with,
naman ng
with Steven and the kids. Yeah, it was fantastic.
And
with
Kenneth and
John.
June.
And Kenneth and my brothers, Kenneth and June.
Si Brian lang was hindi busy talaga, Brian
Sobra,
Nguyen.
but thank you so
Wasn't
much,
able to join
Brian.
us in
Yeah,
Boracay.
Boracay.
And this is our little way, Gles, of thanking our guests,
Yeah.
visitor judges. Dito po sa
To-
Kois and Pans, as
yeah.
much as we could, talagang makita po ninyo. Kaya yung pong mga sinishare nyo po sa amin na what's this, VAT fee, yung mga maraming salamat dun sa mga nag-contribute, no?
Thank you
Joni,
so much.
Joni Acuña, no?
It helped.
There's James, no? There's si Attorney Paulo.
Yeah.
Attorney Paulo
Oh my God, thank
Brillante.
you
So,
so
maraming
much for the
salamat.
help,
Sabi,
yeah.
Mike, I'll take care of that dinner.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Attorney Paulo.
In Boracay.
In Boracay, sinagot ni Attorney Paulo yun.
Nagdala pa siya ng,
yung-
ng single malt whiskey. Thank you so much. Who bought to?
Attorney Pau, dito natin i-consume yun pagpunta mo dito.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi na namin nabuksan. Ang binuksan namin yung Johnny Walker, they're charging us too much for corkage.
Yeah,
no?
but
And then I asked them, sige, I'll pay for it. Sabi ko sa kanila gano'n, yung corkage. Can you imagine the corkage is, I won't mention it anymore dun sa
But
pinuntahan
it's a
natin.
lot of money. Almost the same price as the
Almost
whole
the same,
dinner.
sabi ko. Sabi nila, sige, no
Grabe.
problem, we'll just
Yeah.
bring it somewhere else. Sabi nila Kenji. Sabi
Yeah,
nila.
yeah,
But thank you so much, Attorney
Thank
Pau.
you, thank you.
So generous of you.
Yeah.
Pare, sabi, next time magtatagal ako. Dahil nandun siya sa dulo kasama sila Captain Rex.
Yeah.
Sila Captain Rex, hapon pa lang, nag-enjoy na.
Yes.
No, sa,
Thank
yan,
you
sila,
so much.
RSM, si
Yeah.
Choi and Chan, nandyan.
Yeah.
No? At, ayun, nasa na pa tayo? Number 8.
Number 8. No, 7. Oh, 8 place.
Ninth is Engineer Mark Christian
Christian
Malto.
Malto.
Ito
And then-
galing to sa Koi Empire. Si Jojo ang nag-ano nito, ang nag-groom nito.
Nag-groom nito.
Yung Engineer Mark Christian. Yun ang may mga maraming salamat, nabanggit na naman natin, Gles, si Jojo. Koi Empire, no? Salamat din kay Dennis Shokoy Pipito,
Yes.
Asukari House, at kay Daryl Seth Rosende.
Yes, they
Although
took care.
Daryl is number 2.
Yes.
Hindi ko alam kung ilan nagpa-asukari sa kanya. Ito yung 3 asukari houses that helped us, no? And then, minsan po, friends in Koi, kayong mga nagpapatabi sa asukari house, tao lang po sila, no? Tao din po yung mga breed, mga dealers. Minsan, we lose some, we win some. Yung mga Koi, no?
Yeah.
Ganun talaga eh.
That's really the
Kaya,
risk.
that's talaga. But again, we need to bounce back and know kung bakit nagkaroon challenge na gano'n. No?
True.
That's the only true thing in life na we will all go. No? Okay na rin, nauna na yung isda.
Yeah.
Dahil sa atin. But of
Kasi
course, we don't want that.
This koi, yeah, of course, they're alive. So that's a fragile thing about it. They're also alive.
We
So
do
have
our
to
best
take care.
effort to
Yeah.
again ang sa ganang sa amin po ang to begin with to doing koi is to enhance you as a better person, no? Gumagawa ka ng hobby, nagaganto. Kung magiging miserable ka with the diversion that you're doing, that's not a diversion. That's a martilyo pupukpok sa ulo, no?
Yes.
So, enjoy po natin tong hobby na to and it's beautiful.
True. Because like in any situation, there's a good side and there's a bad side. So we'll just focus on the good side.
And there's a good side in a bad side.
Yeah.
Could be a good thing, no?
Could be a good thing or a bad thing.
baka
So
lagi
it's
yan
what
sa-
you choose to do.
To be.
Yes.
Ayun, so dito tayo, Glass. Number
7,
7, RSM Koi, Choi and
With
Chan Pangilinan,
18,000.
18,000.
20th pick.
Ito yung pinag-isipan nila itong 7 and 8. Sixth place is 19,000 kay
With Lambert Liu. Pick
Ito,
number 26.
ano to, Glass? Baptism by fire. First time niya ata sumali. And then, look at this, oh.
Yeah, but
dumating
he's
po
based
ito,
in
nung pinadala
Canibo,
to,
right?
pinadala to sa size, no? It says here, 49 cm. So, sinukat po ni Tom, ni ni Devin.
Yeah, when he entered already sa junior koi show, when you enter, they all resize it again.
Remeasure, yung pong
Remeasure.
nandun sa pinapadala yung video for information lang po para sa susunod natin mga ano. Kung maaari po nga, lagi natin sinasabi, Glass, ay gamitin yung official green.
Yes.
Tapos pag sinukat po, may manner po, gagawa po kami ng vlog. Paano sinusukat? The tail has to be improperly spread. Yung ulo nasa sa harap. And then para masukat ng tama.
Yes.
Kasi, or minsan may human error, baka nagkabaliktad yung sulat or what, no? So, again, pagdating po ng koi nyo dito, ay nire-remeasure. Kaya nga ang tawag doon benching. Benching is itinutumpak sa tamang size to the smallest centimeter yung isda for benching, and then they properly put it either in miyabi, sakura, tsubaki, or botan.
Yes.
Okay?
That's
So,
what Mickey does also. He puts which koi goes to which category. You have to categorize the koi. But we can't do that pag online. We have to rely on the information,
on the information na
that you give us because
ilalagay
we
nyo
don't
dun.
see the koi itself. So the information they gave us, that's the reason why we know it's 43 cm kasi they brought the koi in. So because if it's 49, as what they said, it cannot enter the junior koi show kasi may dumating na 46 cm. They really remeasured and remeasured kasi
Paulit-ulit.
Paulit-ulit para talagang
Pag ganun nasa
46.
borderline talagang we want to accommodate everybody
Yes.
na anong ganyan. Pero pag talaga pong sobra,
We can't
ay
do anything.
wala pong plus minus na anong
Yeah.
gano'n. Lalo pag sobra. So baka ang tingin naman natin dun sa ano ay human error talaga.
Yeah. And
Kaya
that-
isa lang naman
yeah.
yun.
Yeah, but the day before, there was one also. He brought the koi in. They measured it right away here. Said, and then we weren't here, but Mayan was calling, Mom, sir, it's 46 cm. What? You measure it again, measure it again. So he measured it twice again. Okay, Mike has to recheck it and everything for talaga 46.
They call my attention.
Yeah. So,
And then kung hindi pa nun, if that's not enough, tatawagin natin yung koi keeper.
you know, he was
Or,
here.
yeah, no, in
he
cases like
knows,
that.
Yeah.
And we submit it to the judges pagka ano
Yeah,
ganyan.
but
para-
this was the day before. So what he did, it was fine with
Yeah.
him. He went home and got another koi, which entered. With, like,
Again,
the
yung pong entry fee po dito, we would like to reiterate, ay inuubos po natin sa kapistahan.
Yeah.
Inuubos po natin to make the show beautiful.
size. Yeah, kasi there's
Abonado pa
dinner.
po kami dito for size 1 and size 2 ng Attorney Elgin Perez Memorial Open Junior Koi Show.
Yeah, but everybody have
We,
fun.
we
to
charge
learn,
1,000. Doon sa 3 and 4, we charge 1,005.
Yes.
And the remaining sizes, 5, 6, and 7, we charge 2,000. But doon po sa mga grow-out contestants, all 224 of them, yung mga nakarating na one half, no? Ay binigyan po natin ng pabor na regardless of the size, 1,000 lang.
Yeah.
Paulit-ulit po tayo
If you
dito.
entered it sa junior,
junior
koi
koi show.
show, there's still a 1,000 fee.
Again, inuubos po sa kapistahan
Yeah.
ng koi show.
Yeah, true.
Sige, moving on, Glass. We're on, eto, fifth, ano?
Fifth place with 20,000 is with Ralph Sambrio.
Ralph, thank you
Pick
so much.
number 22. Thank you,
22.
Ralph. Beautiful.
Si Ralph ay offered, sabi ko ganun, Glass. Ralph, would you like to, since you have 20,000, would you like to partake of KNP or Tommy Guy or any, tapos ganyan? I'll give you I'll give you the free shipping.
Yeah.
Kasabay. Kasi po, pag ganyan, ship na namin, let's say, kung ano man yung isda or what, no? Mas mura po yung shipment kung kasama yung koi food. So, and thank you so much, Ralph,
Thank
for
you.
availing of the benefit.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you so much. So,
Appreciate
moving
it.
on, appreciate it. Fourth place,
Mike Kua,
Michael Kua with 25,000. Koi number 11.
11 pick, no? Si
Yeah.
Mike and si Gab, yung anak niya.
Yes.
Siguro si Gab pumili nito.
And bronze champion, meaning third place, plus prize money of 30,000, goes to Doc Pere Bautista, pick number 39.
Doc Pele, tsaka si Doc Kim. Yung,
Yes, congratulations.
when I called up Doc, nasa Boracay tayo, tapos si Doc nasa operating room ata. And on the next call, tsaka ako palang nakausap.
yeah.
And then, congratulations, Doc.
Congratulations.
May mga trophies ka na dito.
Yeah.
Pag
Actually, from the PCNC show.
meron.
Wala.
Oo.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Doc,
Thank
for all the
you,
support,
thank
Doc.
you. Okay, for silver champion, second place with 40,000 cash, Daryl Seth Rosende with pick
Pick
number
number
42.
42.
Congratulations.
Daryl,
We're
may
bringing
Asukari House yun.
Yeah.
Dadalhin natin.
He has an Asukari house. So thank you so much for joining. And the gold champion, which also won the grand champion for the 2026 Attorney Elgin Junior Cup, it's
Koi
wala
of-
yung picture. With Henry Morales with 100,000 cash prize, pick number 7. So he had 2 kois here. So for the KN, for the Kois and Ponds Cup, one pick number 101 and one pick number 7. Both of them
Pumasok
entered,
pareho.
pumasok. Both of them
Ang
have
ganda po ng
prizes.
storya ni Henry. I was speaking with him yesterday. Etong dumating to, sabi nga, kanina rin, napansin din ni Erwin, sabi, Mike, nung pinost ko yung mga vlogs na yun, no? Nakita niya, ang liit lang pala nito ng Grand Champion, 15 centimeters.
When we got it.
When we were like distributing it dito sa maraming ang liit ng sakay. There were 5 breeders. Sakay, Marudo, Tani, Izumiya, and Gonjiro. And the smallest would be Sakay.
Yeah.
Ito pa yung nanalo, 15 cm. And to aggravate things, yung maliit na 15 cm na yon, I don't know how, paglabas ko sa bag, may scratch yung ulo. May scratch yung ulo ng sangke na to.
Yeah, buti he didn't get discouraged.
Hindi na discourage si Henry. He
Yeah,
held
he
on to
said,
the fish. He
yeah.
believed that he could groom it more.
Well, wow.
Lo
so
and behold,
fantastic.
after a few months, yun, naging grand champion. Double grand champion.
Yeah, because it repaired itself in a couple of months. And then the Benny was sickening, the color came back. Kasi it was very light colored when he got it.
And
So
to mention,
congratulations,
Bless,
Henry.
to mention that fish is, tawag dito, 15 cm lang.
Yeah, when it started.
Oo.
Yeah.
One of the smallest. No?
Yeah, because some of them are 30 cm.
Mhm.
But
Hindi, isa pala, nakalimutan ko. Yung sasabihin ko is that these 2 koi were raised in a 5-ton pond.
yeah,
5 tons lang po yung koi pond niya doon.
Yeah, when
Quarantine lang ata yun ni Henry.
so
Oo.
that's very good. Oh, we better hurry because it's
Okay, sige.
Yeah,
Tapos
because
ano pa ba? Okay, quickly we'll mention yung we'd like to thank all those friends of ours
in Boracay.
outside of the Philippines, no? The Friendship Awards.
Friendship
Okay,
Awards,
from Fresno to Dallas, Texas. Weekly lang, nawala pa. Okay, Friendship Award, let's start off with eto na yung
Australian
set.
Koi Show Association, thank you so much.
To the kindness of Junie.
Yeah, Junie
and
was
the President,
here, and he
Ian.
was the one who his daughter
Ian and Jana,
chose,
congratulations
Congratulations.
for winning.
Yeah, they
And,
chose the Koi, and then they were the ones who awarded it. Thank you so much.
And also thank you, Junie, for your donations sa Koi Show.
Yes,
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Sa I forgot the name of his One Ons, no? One
Yeah.
Ons Company. Right.
Sa Ho Chi Minh
Vietnam Koi Club,
Vietnam.
courtesy of Brian.
Brian, and then the one who won this was Steven Sonan
Mhm.
with the Tancho Gushika. I remember. that
Central
one.
California Koi Society
Yes.
Friendship Award, the Fresno Koi Show. Thank
And-
you, Rosemary.
Yeah, and Rosemary, then they brought a lot of koi pins. So those who were here, I distributed it to.
They're so happy, Mary, for the koi pins.
Yeah.
And Lisa too, shout out.
Lisa.
All our friends in Fresno. Hi
Yes.
there. And
Thank you so much.
Erwin was the one who hand carried it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
very much.
Okay.
The
Now,
South Carolina Koi and Water Gardening Society.
through the kindness of Kevin Calupi.
Yeah, Kevin.
That
thank
Kevin
you
and
so
Tanya
much.
are Tommy Guy dealer in
Yeah.
South Carolina.
Yes, the Greater Louisville Koi Goldfish
Mhm. This is
Society.
this is
From
through the kindness
Kentucky.
of our good friend Troy Head.
Yes.
Troy, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much. Also, the Indiana, USA, the Northwest ZNA, is this Ray and Terry Alexander.
Yes, thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thank you very much. Okay, of course, the Minnesota Koi Club, to Michelle Gravinish. Thank you very much.
you.
Okay, the San Diego Koi Club. Matt,
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
It's still here
Ayun,
because the
nandun pa,
winner, we have to, the winner wasn't here yet that day, so we'll just give it to him.
thank you so much, Matt.
Thank you.
Really appreciate
Beautiful,
it. Okay.
beautiful,
Rocky Mountain Koi Club. This is through
Duck
Duck
ngayon.
Mayen.
Duck ngayon.
Okay. And the Dallas and the San Antonio Koi Club. Thank you so much. All the officers and members there.
This is
This is brought in by John
South
Ames.
Carolina. Yeah, John Ames brought it. It's so nice. This is from South Carolina.
Ayun.
Koi pins.
Wala na tayong ano. Sige,
Alright.
we'll quickly say the grand champion B for the Open Koi Show went to Erwin Santos. Congratulations, Erwin.
Congratulations, Erwin.
44
You just picked
CM,
up
we
the week
posted it.
before,
It's still
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
The fish of Erwin. So
Yeah, because he
I don't
lives
know
in
what
the US.
he might sell it. He
Yeah.
might, but it's still here.
Yes.
Okay.
So the grand champion is Henry Morales with Sanke.
44 CM Sanke. Okay.
Yes.
And then the third, in ranking, no, grand champion B,
he said-
and the third will be the grand champion, the grand champion,
Reserve grand champion.
reserve grand champion pala yung ano.
Kay
Sorry,
Erwin.
reserve grand champion pala yung kay Erwin.
Yeah.
No, yung
Yung
Shiro.
Shiro
Hindi grand
Tsuda.
champion B.
It's reserve grand champion.
Yung grand champion B is Jimmy Lin.
Jimmy Lee with the beautiful
With
Ginrin Kohaku. I love that koi too.
So mali pala yun,
Yeah,
yung
so-
pinost ko doon. No?
yeah,
I have to change it.
Yeah, it's reserve grand champion.
And baby champion went to Jana May Acuña with a
Yeah.
beautiful Ginrin Sanke.
Oh.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, Jana.
Jana.
Junior champion is
Mini
Jojo.
champion,
No.
Steven,
This is kay Lambert Lu.
Oh, junior champion. Ito yung 43 centimeters.
Yeah.
Sinukat
this one.
natin, nandiyan pa tong koi na to.
Yeah, this one.
Oh,
so
to
it's,
verify, itong nakasulat na 49, nandito pa po to,
It's,
para po dun sa mga papadala natin ng isda, shipment will be on Tuesday night. So you will receive your koi on Wednesday. So sabay-sabay po to na isi-ship namin sa inyo. And one of them will be the Sanke of Ken Kimpo and Lambert Lu.
Yeah.
Sinukat ko po uli ngayon. Ganun pa rin siya, 43 pa rin. Okay. So, and sa majors, last
mini champion.
but not the least,
It's a
yung Stevenson
Kohaku by Stevenson Ang.
this one came from David's Koi House. Thank you so much, David.
Thank you
for
the
Inanak
support,
David for joining. Another Koi professional na part, also Shinkokai member. Shinkokai na si David.
Yes.
And sayang di kayo nakadalo at they were in Siargao with the family.
Yeah.
So shout out David and David Koi House. Sila Mike yung team ng David Koi House. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng
Thank you.
suporta.
Salamat.
Week before the show, we went there, umingi tayo ng mga halaman.
Yeah.
Si Mike ang nagkasikaso sa amin doon. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Okay, tapos ito na, Glass, yung mga ibang the Boracay entourage, si Katrina.
Katrina.
Nagkasikaso sa atin
thank
sa
you so
Boracay,
much.
Kat. Okay, Tani Trophy, thank you so much for all the trophies
And
once
Hotel
again.
Excelsior for the judges. They help us in when the judges were checking in and checking out. Thank
Okay,
you.
of course, yung hotel sa Fairways.
Sa
Yung
Fairways,
staff sa
Fairways.
Fairways and Blue Waters sa
Yes.
golf
And
course.
especially for the members for the golf course, we have RJ and Dasem. Good to see you guys. I'll see you
Thank
again
you sa
soon.
pag-asikaso ninyo sa amin
Yes, salamat.
nung kami ay
Maraming
nasa Boracay.
salamat, yeah.
So, ang dami natin. 12. 12
Yeah.
kasama sila June, di ba? Nung nagkita-kita na. 11.
Almost.
Para asikasuhin tayo. No?
Yeah.
Ba't yung pamangkin mo sa tour? What's
Yeah,
his name? Oh,
yeah.
hindi-
Thank
hindi-
you so
Thank you
much,
very much.
yeah.
At nairaos yung 3 araw, 2 gabi din natin sa Boracay.
Yeah.
Much like the show, nairaos ng
Si
ng maganda.
Lesmar yun.
Si Lesmar. oh.
Lesmar, thank you so much.
And tsaka yung plate maker, yung wood maker ng mga
Sila-
trophies natin.
Yeah, sila Weng, yeah.
So,
Rowena.
wala na tayong nakalimutan siguro.
Hopefully.
Hopefully wala, no?
Okay, and
na
I'd like to
ganyan.
thank Tommy Guy, KNP, for making this all possible. And for Mike,
Ayun,
thank you
ang
so
aking
much.
boss. Hindi, Glass, wait.
It's
So,
only ideas.
wait, yung sa Sur, di ba? The
Ah,
first
sa
night nila dito.
Sur.
Sur
Thank
restaurant
you
po sa
so
BF kay
much,
Jonas.
yeah.
Doon po kami doon
Yeah.
po kami opening
Yeah,
salvo.
yung
Parang ati-atihan na.
Parang to greet this
Meet and greet.
welcoming welcoming
judges.
judges.
It's really fun yung ano, no? It's really fun yung koi show. Talagang toxic. Hindi toxic,
Nakakapagod.
nakakapagod.
Sabi
no?
ko nga, every time, I don't want to do this again. It's so tiring.
And then after, when everything's gone, let's do it again.
No, we'll do it again.
Do it again. Ang ganda, tight na
Comes
tight
from
yung
you.
production. I really love it, Les.
Yeah.
Yung nagja-judge sila sa harap, and then eto, nandun. Kenji was having fun.
Yeah,
Biro mo,
everybody had
nung
fun.
ginajudge sila yung mga pictures na yun.
Yeah.
Binalik-balikan nila. If they just wanna get through it and done with it, no?
They're
Hindi na-
never like, that's why we love them to judge because like
Mm-hmm.
they're really closely
At
parang
lumapit sila sa screen.
Kinakarir
Talaga, no? Kaya
How
ang
we
daming
call it.
nagla-live video nun.
Yeah.
Kaya that will go to show yung ano, talagang
Lahat sila.
hinimay-himay.
Kinarir talaga nila lahat.
At
Even
walang
Steven
nagkamali
and
dito
Brian.
dahil pinirmahan na agad at nilagay
Yeah.
yung ano.
Yeah, it
I-
has
it-
their signature, so
I was talking with, last note lang, Les, I was
Yeah.
talking with Steve Gibbons.
Yeah.
Sabi niya gano'n, we will be sending off the cash money now, the prize
Mm.
money. Sabi ko kay Steve, I have a stack of money there, yung whoever would win the 100,000. Pinalit ko siya ng 50 peso bill.
kandang
Nakalagay
50
ganun
pesos.
sa bag, no? But gagawin ko sana, pero sabi ko, baka ano na.
So many things to do.
Na bibiruin natin
Yeah.
para yung gano'n. Lahat ng prize money nasa bag na gano'n. No? Pero
Yeah,
Really?
we better go kasi like the one we did yesterday took almost an hour.
Mm.
It's getting to be an hour
now
now.
it's 47 minutes. So,
So you
so
better-
thank you so much,
thank
friends in
you.
Koy,
Thank you so
for
much.
staying this long. If
Yeah.
you're in the Metro Manila area, please drop by and visit us or call us. Number is
0917-438-7230.
we are located in between Ayala, Alabang and SM South dito po sa Koys and Ponds.
Yes, Alabang sa Pote Road.
Mm-hmm.
The entrance is right beside Excelsior Hotel.
And we would love to speak Koy with you.
Yes.
Kahit po anong status po ninyo, hindi po kami naninino. Kung basta pag-usapan natin isda.
Yeah.
And if you're in the United States area, thank you, friends, for availing of Tommy Gay Koi Food.
Thank you so much.
Please call up, get in touch with Demi Koi. They have
Yes.
a beautiful upfront store in Las Tunas Drive in Temple City.
Oh, they could visit the website.
Visit their website. Tommy Gay is available in that shop.
Yes.
If their fish that they have there is not enough for you, they have a lot more selection in their backyard. That's almost an acre property. They have koi ponds there.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, friends, for supporting our kids, Nikki and Devin, in their business.
Thank you.
And thank you for using Tommy Guy. Dito din po, thank you for using Tommy Guy, KNP, Nitrobacta, Revive. And thank you to
Alita.
Alita. No,
And
Alita,
MDM.
Alita, MDM,
For
Ben
the-
Ash and Brian Maldonado.
Yeah, for
Hi.
the pumps.
Thank you. And
Thank
thank you
you
to
so much.
Nitrobacta.
Yes.
From Texas. Thank you for all the
Nitrobacta
support.
from the US also.
So, yun lang, Les. And, kambay at eto na, huling announcement, Les.
Yes.
The next road contest will consist of 300 koi, 150 and 150. 150 po will be take home. The 150 po will be on asukari dito. So, full asukari, free asukari.
Yeah.
So, magiging dalawa po yung draw out natin. Bring it home and full asukari. Yung full asukari, magiging part ng Baka Girl Show. So, we're doing...
Ina-announce na niya para hindi na ako mag-back.
Yung boss ko, napagod ko talaga. Pagod ko talaga yung boss ko. Anyway, dalawa to, Gles. The 23rd Koys and Ponds Cup Draw Out Contest and
The Wakagoy Show.
2026 Wakagoy. Nagawa na natin yung junior.
Yeah.
We
So
have to
this
do
is
the Wakagoy. But
Wakagoy, which
shout
is,
out
63
PCNC.
cm.
Ha?
63
63
cm
cm.
is the maximum.
Dati hindi natin magawa. Pero ngayon, pwede palang plastic. So, ma-accommodate na natin.
You could make
So,
it
we will make it happen, friends.
Yeah.
Lahat po kayo invited sa Wakagoy Show.
open.
Medyo na fine-tune na po namin yung logistics. And we dare do it.
Yes, we dare, really.
We dare do it to the best of our ability. And maraming salamat. And let's all enjoy this beautiful hobby.
Yes, that's why we're going to Japan
End of the month to scout and get one by one. Pipick
Yeah,
natin
we'll
yun.
really go to Niagata.
Stay tuned.
Stay
May
tuned.
vlog po
We'll
kami
be
mga
live
gagawin.
from there.
From there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.
But I love you still. I need you more than anyone, darling.